Want to make $283 a day using just Google Translate? No, it's not a scam, it's a real, simple method that anyone can do, and you don't need any special skills. Stick around and I'll show you how to turn your language skills into a full-time income today. Hey there, welcome to the channel. If you've ever wondered how you can make money online without needing special skills or any big investment, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to reveal how you can make $283 a day simply using Google Translate. Yes, you heard that right, $283 a day. Let's dive in. 1. How Google Translate works. So, you're probably thinking, how can I possibly make money using Google Translate? Well, here's the thing. Google Translate isn't just for translating languages. It's a powerful tool that can help you leverage language barriers to make money online. You don't have to be a professional translator, you just need to know how to use this tool correctly. Section 2. The concept, freelance translation, and other opportunities. Now, here's the fun part. Google Translate opens up so many doors for freelance opportunities. For example, you can start offering translation services on freelancing platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer. But instead of doing everything manually, you can use Google Translate to speed up the process. Let me break it down for you. You can offer translation services between languages you're not even fluent in. Use Google Translate to help you understand the basics of the language and then refine your work from there. It's that simple. You can also use Google Translate to check the quality of your translations or fix mistakes you didn't catch. A lot of people who need translations are looking for quick and affordable solutions, and you can provide exactly that with Google Translate. Section 3. How to find clients and build your reputation. So now that you know how it works, how do you find clients who need translations? Here's a simple trick. Start by creating an account on freelancing sites like Fiverr or Upwork and offer your translation services at competitive prices. But don't just stop there. Here's a secret. When you start, offer a few services for free or at a lower price just to build your portfolio. Trust me, when you get a good review, the money starts rolling in. Then gradually raise your prices as you gain more experience, even if you're just using Google Translate. Quality is important. Don't forget to proofread and make sure the translation makes sense. Google Translate won't always get it perfect. Section 4. Other ways to make money using Google Translate. But wait, there's more. Google Translate doesn't just help you translate documents, it can help you do so much more. For example, you can write blogs in multiple languages, helping businesses and individuals expand their reach. Or you can even use it to localize content for companies looking to break into foreign markets. There's a huge demand for language-related tasks. 5. Scaling up your earnings. Now that you've got the basics, let's talk about how to scale your earnings. Once you get the hang of it, you can take on multiple translation gigs in a day. If you charge $20 for each small project and complete 10 of them, that's $200 a day. Keep increasing your work volume or expand to higher paying tasks, and before you know it, you'll be making $283 a day or more. Remember, consistency is key to scaling up your earnings. So, to wrap things up, Google Translate is an amazing tool that can help you start earning money from home right now. Whether you want to do it part-time or full-time, this method works, and it's all about being smart, consistent, and taking action. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon for more tips on making money online. And don't forget to leave a comment below telling me how you plan to use Google Translate to make your first $283 today.